In this recording in our series of creating chain geometries, we'll talk about the use of the option Smart Face. Now, Smart Face is actually one of my favorite types of ways of creating chain geometries, and it works in two different ways depending whether you're in a profile operation or in a pocket type operation. At this moment, I am in a profile operation. And what that means is all I have to do is click on a face and I'll automatically get all the chains for every single place where we have a wall to it. In other words, a place where we have an edge, such as this, where it's open, it will not take that as a geometry. Let's see how this works. I'm just going to click on this face, and you'll note that we will automatically have a total of 5 geometries. 4 of them around these edges over here, and you can see that those are open geometries. By open it means it starts and ends without getting to the other edge. Same thing over here, around these as well. And you'll note that around this one, this is a closed geometry where the beginning and end meet up to each other. That's the use of Smart Face inside a profile operation. Now let's take a look how we do it inside a pocket operation. As you can see right now, I've changed over to a pocket operation. We'll talk about all the different options over here a little later on, but we'll choose right now this second option over here, and I'll click on creating a geometry, and again I'll use the option of Smart Face. This time when I click on this face, you'll note the following. We have only 2 geometries, but note this area, this surface, has what we call an open edge, and it automatically recognizes that and marks this as an open edge, as well as over here on the other side and on these areas over here as well. You'll also note that it also took the island as a geometry, and that's simply by clicking on this face. As far as marking open edges without using Smart Face, that we'll show you in one of our upcoming recordings.